Welcome to the third video of spherical mirrors. We are drawing ray diagrams. Now, for the third diagram, here we have diagram number 3. We will place the object at C. Now, when the object is placed at C, the image is also formed at C, and the image that is formed is exactly as the same size as the object. So if this is my object A B dash, my image will be A dash B dash. You can see that I have already drawn the image and there is no F over here. So how to complete this diagram? We draw ray number 1, which is starting from the tip of the arrow going towards the mirror. Now when this ray reflects, it should pass through the tip of the arrow. So this point where the ray cut the principal axis must be the focus. So this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, and this point where it cut the principal axis, that point we label it as focus. Now we draw the second ray. The second ray is starting from again the tip of the arrow, passing through the focus that we have drawn, and this arrow will now pass through parallel to the principal axis, and you can see that it is passing through the tip of the image arrow. So that completes our diagram number 3. You can see the characteristics of the image. So when the object is placed at C, the image position is also at C. The size is same size as that of the object and the nature is real and inverted. Let's check diagram number 4. Okay, so we start with diagram number 4. Students, you have noticed that the first diagram, the object was at infinity at a large distance. The second diagram, we had the object beyond C. The third diagram was the object at C. And now the fourth diagram is object between C and F. That means that the object is moving towards the mirror. And if you see the trend that is following, for the first diagram, when the object is at infinity, we formed an image at F. Then for the second diagram, the image was between C and F. And the third diagram, the image was at C. So what is happening is the object is moving closer towards the mirror and the image is moving away from the mirror. Also, if you notice, the size of the image is also growing. So let's see if that trend continues over here. So we have this object. Okay, let's label this object as AB. So I take the first ray, which is parallel to the principal axis, and we note now that this ray after reflection will pass through the focus. Now we take the second ray, which is passing through the focus, and this ray after reflection will pass parallel to the principal axis. Now we notice that those two rays are meeting over here. So that will be the position of our image. So we draw the inverted arrow over here. So this is the image of B. So we call this as B dash and this will be A dash. So we can see that the image is formed beyond C, and if we compare the size of the object, the image has become enlarged. So again, we note down the characteristics of the image. So these are the characteristics of the image. When the object is between C and F, the image position is beyond C, the size is magnified, and the nature is real and inverted. So this was our diagram number 4. Diagram number 5 and 6 we'll see in the next video. Thank you.